Presenting Lava Agni 2 5G smartphone. It is available in glass Viridian color variant. Store all your favorites in one place with 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM. The smartphone supports 13 5G bands. Moving on to its 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved Amoled display with Widevine L1 DRM protection and 120Hz refresh rate to enjoy all your content in high resolution. It also features in-display fingerprint unlock. Capture your precious moments with big 1.0 micrometers pixel 50MP quad camera with 8MP ultrawide, 2MP macro and 2MP depth camera along with 1.0 micrometer 16MP selfie camera. Experience superior performance with Octa-core 2.6 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 7050, 6nm processor and clean Android 13 OS. It is powered by a Superfast 66-watt charger. Get 50% of charge with less than 16 minutes charging. USB cable, SIM tray ejector pin, phone case and USB-C to 3.5mm connector.